Okay, greetings and welcome to the experiment on curvilinear motion. So just now we have discussed the theory about the curvilinear motion. Now we will perform the actual experiment on the curvilinear motion. Okay, so this is the experimental setup. This is the cycle rim, and so this is the point A. So from the point A, with theoretical velocity equal, the practical velocity equal to 0, we are going to release this ball, something like this, and somewhere here the ball will leave the cylindrical surface, and from point this B to C, it will follow the path of projectile. So here our aim is experimentally to observe the point B at which this ball leaves the cylindrical surface. Okay, and then what you do, you measure, you mark the indentation, of the ball in this sand somewhere here, and then you measure this distance D to C with the help of the scale. So before that, what you do, you measure the diameter of this ring using the scale, and you start performing the experiment. Okay, fine. So here now I'm going to perform the experiment. Okay, so this is the sand which is kept in order to mark the indentation of this ball, so that we can measure the distance D to C. Fine. So here this is the ball, this is the plastic ball which I am keeping exactly at the topmost point of this cylindrical surface, the cycle rim, and with the practical velocity is equal to 0, I am releasing this ball. Okay. So now see, somewhere here the ball has left the cylindrical surface at B. Okay, so then with the help of thread, what you do, you measure the arc length from A to B. Okay, so once you measure the arc length A to B, you measure the arc length with the help of the scale. So the arc length is around 28 centimeter, and already we know the radius of this cycle rim, and we know the arc length A to B. As we know, by knowing this arc length, very quickly we can find out this angle subtended at the center O. Okay? So we know the value of theta, right? Then also we know the mark of indentation. So here somewhere here say suppose if I drop here the ball. Yeah, so this is somewhere here, it has dropped somewhere here. So this is the point C. So measure the distance C to D. So it comes out to be 47 centimeter. Okay. So experimentally now we have observed the distance C to D, as well we have found the value of this theta. Compare this observed values of theta and the distance CD with the analytical one. Okay, so this is how you can perform this experiment. Thank you.